Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we delve into the world of software engineering, covering a wide array of topics ranging from fundamental concepts to advanced design patterns. As a software developer with international learning and travel exposure, I bring a unique perspective to each discussion, sharing insights gained from diverse experiences. Whether you're a seasoned developer looking to deepen your understanding of solid design principles, or a newcomer eager to explore the foundations of software engineering, you'll find valuable content tailored to your interests. From tutorials on coding best practices to in-depth discussions on scholarship opportunities in the tech industry, there's something for everyone here. Join me on this journey as we unravel the complexities of software development together. Through engaging videos and insightful commentary, I aim to empower viewers with the knowledge and skills needed to excel in their careers and pursue their passion for technology. So, if you're ready to expand your horizons and embark on a learning adventure, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join our growing community of software enthusiasts. Let's unlock the secrets of software engineering and discover what lies beyond the code.